Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm so excited to share this recipe with you all. Fried plantain and egg, perfect for breakfast, lunch or dinner. So let's get started. Here I have all the ingredients prepped off camera to save time, but I'm going to name them. Fresh tomato 2 chopped, 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning, salt for taste, ginger paste, garlic paste, 1 large onion chopped, 2 scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and I have the coconut oil to fry the sauce. Please check the description box. You're going to find all the list of all the ingredients that I'm going to use to prepare this dish. Next ingredients is 4 large egg. And I'm also going to use chicken sausage, but you can use any sausage of your choice. To the start of the show, which is plantain, I'm using 3 ripe plantain, and I've washed my plantain off camera, then pat it dry, because you cannot wash your plantain after peeling it, so it makes sense to wash it before peeling it. So with the knife, I'm going to trim off the head, then run my knife through the plantain to peel it. To peel ripe plantain is very easy, so easy. Just run your knife and peel it off. so easy. And if you've not subscribed and you're new here, or you've been watching my video, you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button to support my channel. Also leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. You can also share this video with your friends and family. So after peeling off the plantain, I'm going to use my knife to also cut the plantain. I'm going to create a hole like a canoe. Yes, so that's what I'm doing. So just watch me, you will really understand. I'm creating that hole, but I'm going to use a knife to cut it. So guys, this took me like 3 minutes to create or to cut this to canoe shape. So this is the finished product. I keep it aside. So to the remaining 2 plantain, I also peel it off, and I'm going to cut it to the normal shape that we cut plantain in Nigeria. And if you've not given my video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Give this video a thumbs up, please. A thumbs up. I really appreciate it. So you can see the shape that I'm cutting the plantain, normal shape. And keep watching this video, please. Keep watching. You will learn 1 or 2 things from this video. The reason why I came up with this recipe is that I had 2 visitors in my house and I wanted to make them food, plantain and egg. But the way I present the plantain and egg, they were so excited. They were like, wow, it looks different. So you might learn 1 or 2 things from this video. So do not click out. Please keep watching. Next, I add some salt to the plantain to boost the taste. You can't fry plantain without adding salt. It's not going to taste nice. So I mix together to combine. After that, I have my pot or my pan with the oil heating up for at least 20 minutes in a high heat. So before you drop your plantain, you have to make sure your oil is hot. So I'm dropping in the plantain now, and you can see how it's bubbling. That means my oil is hot. You don't want your plantain to soak up the oil. It's a no-no. So I'm going to fry the plantain until it turns golden brown. But after 10 minutes, which is 10 minutes now, I flip over and continue frying for further 10 minutes until the plantain turns golden brown. But depending on how you like your plantain, some people like it golden brown. So the further you fry it, the more golden brown. But I like my light gold, not too dark. It's been 20 minutes and look at how the plantain is looking already golden brown. It's time to scoop it out. But before you do that, you want to place a kitchen towel on a plate to soak or to absorb the excess oil. Very important step. And as you can see, the plantain is looking inviting. I feel like eating all of it, but no, we need to make the sauce for this plantain to take it to another level. But before making the sauce, I need to fry the sausages. And with the sausage, I'm not going to fry with any oil, just the pan. And I'm going to fry it for at least 6 minutes. But you can deep fry your sausage if that's what you want. But I'm cutting down on the calories. Yes, I don't want to go to gym every day. So next up, when the sausage is ready, is to make the sauce. In this pan, I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that, I'm adding ginger and garlic paste, about half a teaspoon, and I'm going to stir fry it for at least 1 to 2 minutes. After the oil is fragrant, I add the onion, chopped onion, and I'm using large onion. So if you don't have large onion, you should be using 2, depending on how you like your onion, to be honest. Some people like a lot of onion, some people don't like a lot of onion. But I love onion. So I stir fry this for at least 2 minutes, then I add the fresh tomato. Do you see how colorful this is? Fresh tomato makes it for me. So I'm adding some salt, then add chicken seasoning, then add the remaining scotch bonnet, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Then look at this colorful goodness. I mix it together to combine, and this smells amazing. If you've not been using coconut oil to make your sauce, you're missing a lot, except you have allergy for coconuts. If not, please try the coconut oil. So I'm going to stir fry this for at least 8 to 10 minutes. Now it is time to add in the egg, and look at this goodness. Add the egg and allow it to fry for at least 1 to 2 minutes before you stir it. And it's 2 minutes now, so I'm going to stir it. Look at this yumminess. If you like egg sauce like me, please write it down in the comment section, and also give this video a thumbs up. You can't go wrong with egg sauce. Do you know that with this egg sauce, you can not only eat it with plantain, you can eat it with boiled rice, boiled yam, you can even have it with bread. Oh my god, it is so versatile. That's why I said watch this video till the end. So mix together to combine, and once you add the egg, do not over fry it. Just fry it for another 4 minutes and your egg sauce is ready and tastes delicious. The ginger and garlic gives it this fresh taste. It boosts the flavor, and I'm tasting it now for salt, and the salt is perfect. I don't want too much salt. So it's time to present it. So I have the whole plantain. You know, this is the whole plantain, 1 plantain. So in that hole that I created, that's where I am, you know, putting the egg sauce. Yotago. So I put the egg sauce there. You know, put as much as you can. As much as you can, load it there. So I look at it and I say, no, let me add some stew, that's tomato sauce. We call it Nigerian stew. I'm going to put a link on how to make Nigerian stew. So this is how I present this one. Look at this goodness. Even if you don't want to eat plantain, with this presentation, you eat plantain. So the next one up is the other plantain that I fried. I just arrange it in the plate round and put the sauce in the middle. If anybody comes to your house, or if you go to somebody's house and they give you this, won't you be happy? So I now add the sausages, the sausage. Already I ate one already, I couldn't hold back. So this is the finished product. It is simple, but presentation. I just want you to see the presentation. Sometimes what you cook every day, what you cook every day, you can cook that same thing, but the way you present it matters. So this is what it is. The presentation. So please subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, follow me on Instagram, Continental Food Cake. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.